when we decided we wanted to move closer to the children, we really both wanted a 55-plus community. It's just the connection that you have with your neighbors, which is just wonderful.
I, on the internet, found Altis, and I came up and looked at the floor plans online, and I liked what I saw, and I showed them to my wife. We then came up when the models finally opened, and that was the decision. On holidays, we can have large crowds, up to 14, 15 people for dinner, and we need a lot of room. This room provides that. This model was just fit our needs, so that's why we're here. And the amenities here, and the clubhouses, they have a senior area and a family area. Everybody has been really good to work with, from all the way down from the finance to the selection of the upgrades. Everybody was really easy to work with.
We had looked here originally when this Terramor first opened, and that's when we saw Pointe.
I can't even tell you. It was like, I was just like in love. It was beautiful.
We wanted an open great room, and this has that. The kitchen, you're open to everybody.
You can have your family here, and it just seems like you're all in one space together. I love it. I love it. I'm excited about it.
I've never seen amenities to the level that they've built here. When they say it's like a resort, it really does feel like a resort when you go to the clubhouse here. The pools, the meeting rooms, just the public
gym, everything.
It's just first class. Everybody here has just been so nice and so welcoming.
Everybody from Pointe, from your sales team to your design center to your construction managers.
And they want you to be happy. They want to show you what's available. They want to show you the different options. Pointe just goes above and beyond.